secret shopping cart trick to get approved for the credit card that you've been waiting for, with no impact to your credit score, and with bad or worse credit, you will be eligible to get this credit card. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I am going to give you the step-by-step guide that will allow you to use this secret shopping cart trick to get approved for this credit card, even if you have bad or worse credit, and it's pretty much guaranteed approval. The steps that I'm going to show you in this video are very important, and if you miss a single step from this video, this trick will not work for you. And remember, the last step is real important. Every shopping cart trick is different, so make sure that you don't skip any part if you think that you know this or you know that, because at the end of the day, if you mix any part from this video, it's almost impossible for you to use this shopping cart trick. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check, and you can get it even with bad or poor credit. If you would like to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So this time the secret shopping cart trick is going to work with Sportsman's Guide. Remember, if you are in the market for a credit card with no impact to your credit score and you have a poor or worse credit, then this is the way to go. It's pretty much guaranteed approval. I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, and don't forget the last part is very important. So let's not wait and start with the first and a very important step that is known as the 3 dots. So before you even open the website, you need to do something very important. This only works on Google Chrome. Please don't ask me that it's going to work on Safari or Internet Explorer. It's not going to work. It only works in Google Chrome. So right here in your Google Chrome browser, all you need to do is you need to go right here on these 3 dots. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you need to go on new incognito window. As soon as you click on it, this page will open. You don't even need to open the website on that separate window. I opened it because I wanted to show you that which credit card that we are working with today. But right here, when you open this, you need to again go on these 3 dots and go on settings. As soon as you click on settings, this is a very important part. You need to click right here on privacy and security. As soon as you click on it, this page will open. You need to scroll all the way down and go in site settings. Again, 3 dots, privacy and security, scroll all the way down, click on site settings. So let's click on it. As soon as you click on it, you can see that it shows your recent activity, your location, camera, but you just ignore everything and just scroll all the way down, and right here click on pop-ups and redirects. Remember, this is a very important part. If you miss this part, you'll not be able to get approved for this Sportsman's Guide credit card. And as I mentioned earlier, the last part of this video is very important, so make sure you stay with us till the end. So let's click on it. As soon as you click on it, these 2 options will appear. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, and don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You need to actually allow the pop-ups and use redirects. So click on the first option. Remember that you will get the notification of approval with the pop-up on Sportsman's Guide website, so you need to keep this in mind. So once you're done with it, you can just simply close it. As soon as you close it, you're back to this window. Actually, I need to go towards this incognito. Right here, you need to write Sportsman's Guide and open the website. Let me just click right here so it becomes more clear. So as you can see, this is their website, and this is the second part and a very important part. As you can see that we just received a pop-up. It means that the pop-ups are actually enabled on our website, especially on our browser. So you need to understand that you don't need to do anything with this. Just close this. As soon as you close this, now the second part starts, and the second part is known as shopping. You need to buy a lot of stuff and you need to spend a lot of money and then just go bankrupt. That's what a stupid person would say, but I won't. Well, now you need to do only window shopping. Well, in many countries it's known as window shopping, like in UK, in Germany, in other European countries, but in US it's pretty much different, because when we go to do window shopping, we actually buy stuff, which is not a good thing to do. Please use your money wisely, especially when it comes to these credit products. Remember, these are loans, so please keep this in mind. It comes with hefty APR. So now what do we need to do? We need to actually add stuff to our cart right here. So let me just go on products and let me go on clothing. As soon as I go on clothing, I can just buy anything. Let's say men's hunting clothing. So I go there and you can see that right here that $180 is the price of this jacket right there. So this hoodie looks amazing, by the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it into the cart. Let me just put my size, that is large, and then the color is camel, and I can just simply add it to the cart. Now here's the big part. As I mentioned earlier, that shopping cart tricks works differently with every financial institution or every vendor. So right here, as you can see, that in this case you need to actually add $300 worth of stuff, not $200. In my previous video in the express shopping cart trick, if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to actually link it right here, or in the video's description you can simply go there. But you need to understand that in that one you needed to add $200 worth of stuff, but right here you need to actually add $300 worth of stuff. So as you can see that our total is around $180. We need to go on and buy a couple of more things to actually make it $300. So I'm gonna actually go buy, and let's say I'm gonna go on actually go on clothing again. So I'm gonna go there, and what could be the expensive thing? Let's say body armor. I'm gonna go there and it says that this one is $99. I'm gonna click on it and I am going to add it to the cart. The color, let me just add it coyote, and then at the same time add it to the cart. As soon as I add it, my total is $251. As you can see, it's still actually it's $279.99. That's the member price. We are not the member yet. You're not going to be a member right now. Please don't do this, otherwise this will not work. So now we need to add one more stuff. So let's go and buy a backpack. So the backpack, let me go with this $110 one. I'm gonna go there and I'm going to select black and add to the cart. As soon as I add to the cart, now my subtotal is more than $300. It's $389.99. I'm gonna click right here on checkout, and this is a very, very important part. Please don't miss this part. If you miss this, or if you mess it up, this trick will not work for you. Don't create an account, don't check out through PayPal or anything, because you're not buying stuff. Just click on guest checkout. As soon as you do it, this window will open, and this is a very, very important part. Right here, you need to put your first name, your last name. Of course, if you have a company, I don't recommend putting it. Your address, your city, your province, your zip code, your phone number, your email address. But here's the very important part. You need to put the same address that you have on your credit report, because they are going to do a soft pull which will not impact your credit score, and the soft pull will allow them to actually send you a pre-approval, which is almost guaranteed that you are going to get their credit card. And this is the final step that I wanted to mention, but you need to understand that you need to put the zip code, the address that exactly matches the address and zip code on your credit profile. So as soon as you fill out the information, this happens. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As you can see that you will receive this pop-up. Remember, that pop-up part was really important, as this is the offer that I received. As you can see that right here, it shows that, hey, congratulations that you as a valued member, you are pre-approved for a Sportsman's Guide buyer, and they actually ask you either you're interested or not. As soon as you click on interested, then it means that you are going to get this credit card, because they say that you are pre-approved. So pre-approved is almost guaranteed that you are going to get this card. Well, use this trick. Let me know in the comments below what's your credit limit, and did it impacted your credit score or not, which it won't, so don't worry about it. And if you're still unsure, then you can just freeze your credit report. I'm going to tell you how you can do that in a separate video because this video is already very long. So remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check at all, and you can get that credit line even with bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.